We are Cognitive Crowd, and we created an application over this weekend which uses Microsoft's cognitive services to actually track the sentiment of the audience and then provide actionable data that can help you improve your public speaking skills. So a few things that we measure are attention span, then the sort of emotions displayed by every member in the audience, and then we produce some really nice graphics so that you can actually interact with and realize how you can improve your public speaking skills. And we also think that this is a great entrepreneurial opportunity because this can probably be used by colleges or by schools to provide feedback to their lecturers, or maybe by election officers to understand how well a candidate scored. So the technical challenges involved in this were quite a few, and we basically used a stack of Python, JavaScript and PHP to build this. Python was the one that helped us get the video and then convert it into smaller frame that we would send to Microsoft Cognitive Services. This brilliant dashboard that you can see was created in PHP, and the custom graphs were made in Green3.js and Plotly. And we built Cognitive Crowd, and this was a cognitive services powered product that we think will help you provide actionable data on your public speeches. So the way we built this was actually get a video of the person's audience and then use the Microsoft Cognitive Services API, in fact 3 of them, that being Bing, text to, speech to text, image recognition and sentiment analysis, to find actionable data. So over here, what we have actually done is you can see that we plotted how the attention span varied across the length of the talk. So since it was a 90-minute talk, there were points when the attention really peaked, and there were points when there was no one interested. Similarly, we then also plotted how the emotions have changed throughout the entire talk. So green over here highlights that people were mostly happy, and grey over here is more of a neutral emotion, whereas these smaller colors are various emotions such as surprise, disgust, contempt. We also created a interactive chart where you can see which parts of your speech were the best, with keywords provided at the bottom, so you can know what phrases had the most effect. And while you try to navigate around this, you can see how the attention changed. So over here it was slightly low, but then it actually peaked, and that was especially because everyone was looking in the camera and there were people laughing. Similarly, when the mood ebbed, it went down again, and yet it returned when there were more laughter around. And you can also see that there were some other keywords that we had found out at the bottom. So we think that this could be a very useful service for entrepreneurs, for people who are often speaking to the public, especially politicians who can then improve their speeches, and also for lecturers and colleges who can receive some sort of data-driven feedback on how their lectures have been and how engaging they were. That's all.